If you're someone who always works in the middle of nowhere and you don't get to see your family for weeks and even months, watch this video because I was exactly where you are 2 years ago. I used to always work in the middle of nowhere as a field engineer in the oil and gas industry, and in 2021 I quit my job for good. At the beginning of 2021, this is when things got a little bit rough. I decided that I do not want to do this job anymore, and I went outside and I tried and looked for ways to make money online. To Google, and I typed in how to make money online. This is when I got lucky enough to come across affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's products or services in exchange for a commission fee, which means you do not have to create your own products, not have to sell your own products, you do not have to hold any inventory, you do not have to deal with shipping or customers, or even have to show your face. Now, what made this possible for me? It was a $7 training course that I found on TikTok. And I'm sure you probably have heard about this $7 course all over the internet, and you still think it's a scam. I also thought it was a scam, but I did not want to hear it from anybody. I actually wanted to take the course and see it for myself. I took what I learned from this $7